The Kelly Wiley Group of Keller Williams XL Realty is proud to offer the commercial building located at 505 7th Street in Chillicothe, Ohio. This 20,700 square foot mixed-use building has three-phase electric and a premium location. There are three separate sections, all accessible through the interior. Inside the main entrance is the office area, which houses reception, a conference room, 10 private offices, copy rooms, break rooms, and multiple restrooms. Located inside a second main entrance is Section 2, a large multi-purpose space which is fully finished with an open layout and high ceilings. This space houses training areas, a cafeteria, art room, mood room, training room, nurses area, additional offices, and storage on both the main and mezzanine levels. The space has incredible exterior access with 4 overhead doors, one on each end of the building, and a double loading dock. The third and final area is an insulated warehouse space that was formerly a drive-in cooler. Possibilities for this building are endless. For information or a private showing, please contact Broker Kelly Wiley at 740-988-6236.